Hey guys, welcome up for another video today. I have my gold slime and we're going to be mixing makeup into it on these backs. No, I don't even know the color. This is my gold slime, guys. Okay, so that's how my slime's gonna be. Hot it up like that. Let's see. What? Like that? Dang it. Okay, I'm trying to get situated, guys, that way you guys can see it. Okay. Nope. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like so far. It's like that. I wonder if you guys can see it good. Hold on. Let me see if I can flatten this bag out real quick. Make it flat. Maybe I'll just do it like this. I don't know. Hold on, guys. Can you guys see? It looks like you guys can see, kind of. Is that good? Let me know in the comments if y'all can, if that's good enough for you guys. Because this is all I can get so far. Okay. So today, guys, I'm gonna be mixing makeup into my slime. And right now, it is a light gold slime. I'm gonna be mixing a whole lot of different eyeshadows. This is eyeshadow. More eyeshadow. More eyeshadow. More. 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 And one more. Then I have this little glass right here. Here's this. Don't go anywhere, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to go find the rest of my makeup. That's all.
What thing did it show? Second website, she said she went on Google and it showed up. She typed in Helen the website started with a P, she said.
I think. Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't have any lipstick, but I have more eyeshadow, that's for sure. This one, I brought in a brush. I have these eyeshadows, LA Colors. That eyeshadow, this eyeshadow. We're about to do an eyeshadow and makeup reveal and showing you all my makeup, so I'm going to set this to the side. Set my slime to the side. Roll that back. Okay, guys, I'm moving up so that way you guys can see. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so, this was a little cracked, but this is like a gold eyeshadow, somewhat gold, somewhat bronze. Let me know, guys, if that shadows look good on the camera. I don't know if it does or not. And then there's another one just like it, except there's more of it, and it's a little darker than the other one. Sorry, guys, I'm sick today. Okay. Let me know in the comments if any of these showed up good or not, okay? And then I have this, those two just said eyeshadow on them. I have this LA Colors Baby Pop eyeshadow. It's, blue. Then I have one that has 4 of them in them. It's that one. It just fell out. Then, also have this one. Then there's this Day to Night LA Colors. Okay, this one was Revlon Color Stay. This one's CoverGirl. This is this is Day to Night LA Colors. See that, guys? It's a bunch of purples and a couple of grays and browns. Okay, guys, and then let me put all this in the ones I've already showed. Okay, this is one from Avon. It's that. By the way, guys, I'm only mixing a little bit of makeup into my slime because I don't want to completely ruin my slime, and I also don't want to completely ruin my makeup. Okay, there's that one. This is Wet n Wild. There's one for the brow bone, one for the, I don't know what that says. Well, all I see is brow bone in the first one, but like there's cheekbone, eyeshadow, and then there are other ones like empty. Okay, the rest of the eyeshadows I'm going to show you guys are going to be from Avon. It looks like this. Let me open it. Oh, look here. It's like a rose pink and then like a goldish grayish. I should probably move you guys to the lights. Okay. Is that any better, guys? I don't know. It's probably not even better. I don't know. Ugh, guys. Tell me if you guys can see over here. Okay. Is that one? The Avon. There's a blue and a silver. Another Avon. There's another rose pink and another silver. Another Avon. Let's see. This one is like a teal. It's like. And the top just fell off. Great. Isn't that just great? Excuse the background, guys. It's my grandma talking on the phone. As usual, me and my dad call it the Mona hotline. It's funny. Okay, guys, now I have some blush. This is the only blush, though. It's from Avon. It's like a rosish pink. Okay, guys, after that, I have some lip gloss. I'm not going to put in all of it. It's some Beauty Concepts lip gloss. It's pink. Okay, guys, let's get right into this.
What Uncle Donald say that one of his daughter's name was?
I don't remember.
Kimberly, yeah.
Okay, guys. Hold on. I'm flattening the bubbles and stuff. Alright, guys. We're getting right into this. Okay. So first I'm going to do all the eyeshadows. Which I have very much eyeshadow. Okay, guys. Here's. Okay. So first we're going to start with this Avon one. There's a green, a tan, and a bronze. I'm going to do a teeny bit of each. This one. Okay. It's that one. Well, we gotta put the thing back in. There we go. Okay, guys. So, next we're gonna do this CoverGirl. There's a tan, a purplish pinkish, and then there's darker purples. Okay, guys, that one. Okay, next I'm going to do this Revlon Color Stay. I think it doesn't have a brush, so let's get one. Find one. I guess we're using this one. Unless there's one. Okay, there's like a tan skin color, a black, a light blue, and a dark blue. That one's done. Next, we're going to do this day to night LA colors. We're going to do every single one of them. Okay, so there's a bunch of purples, a couple browns, a green, and a couple blues, and a black. This might take a while, guys. Or not, because I'm going pretty fast. This might not turn out very pretty slime, guys. I don't think it's going to turn out very pretty. Okay, so next we're going to do... Alright, we've already done CoverGirl. So next we're going to do Wet n Wild. There's the tan, the brown, and the pink. That one's done now. We're going to do this one. The one that says eyeshadow. I'm done. obviously his eyeshadow. Alright, next we're gonna do the LA Color Baby Pop eyeshadow. Sorry guys, I didn't realize that went over there. Okay. This bad boy up. And there. Okay guys, so next we're gonna do all the A-bones. Let's start our very mini okay, first the teal. Ugh. Now the rose pink and the silver or gray. Now the rose pink and the brownish, like the metallic brown. Now this one, the last one of all. The blue and the silver. Uncle Justin, what are you doing?
Sweeping stuff up.
Huh?
Sweeping stuff up.
Oh, okay. Just asking. Okay, guys, next we're going to do the blush. Finally done with the eyeshadow. Choosh. Uncle Justin, everybody in this house is sick right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to take some,
Claritin?
this,
Let me see. Is it yours?
no.
Oh. Okay. You used to take it?
Yeah, I've taken it before.
Oh, okay. Alright, next guys, we're gonna do this Beauty Concept Lip Gloss. Put it in our slime, and then it's last. It's the last thing. But I'm not gonna put all of this in our slime. My slime, I'm gonna do a very teeny bit. I'm probably about to ruin the pretty color of my slime, but eh. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. Now it is time to mix it in. I'm not mixing it with a spoon because I don't need to, of course. Just gonna take a lot of mixing. And also patience because it's probably not gonna turn out very pretty. So I'm gonna mix all that makeup in it. And it was already a pretty
Why
gold.
do we have something? I mean, it's hot as hell outside.
I don't know. Weather change, probably.
The weather change?
Yeah, probably.
It's hot.
How do you know we didn't all catch it from being at daddy or from the babies?
Yeah, that's true.
That's a possibility.
That's what I was thinking.
I mean, nothing on daddy and them, but
No, when they're sick, we all become sick.
no, we don't. Not all the time.
Most of us.
Not me. It's hard to get me sick. I mean, I might be sick right now, but it's hard to get me sick.
Are you sick?
A little bit. I just got a little cold. Guys, this isn't mixing in very well. I'm probably gonna put a lot more eyeshadow. Okay, guys, now I'm getting real with it.
I feel so bad I can't even breathe.
But it's moving real fast.
Oh yeah.
And old Georgia got was maybe some streets knocked around and yeah, but not nothing near like it did hard. You know, when you're near the water, and Tybee, Tybee's nothing but water, you know, nothing but water. And we live right there in Tybee, it's gonna happen because they're right there on the water. They don't expect anything, but a hurricane is unexpected. You gotta expect the unexpected. Right. You know, nothing about a hurricane is, you know, you can't prevent a hurricane, but it's got a mind of its own. Exactly.
Dumb cat.
And get out while you can. Because if you stay around and it gets really far, you can't get you. Just like everybody else, they don't listen. Then they call them out for help. Well, where are you when we need you? Well, yeah, we tried to warn you. Please, what don't you understand about relief? You know, what part about that you don't understand? I mean, really, what's so hard to understand when you say please? Please, please. Yeah, and they said it might strengthen again.
Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. Because I had to add more eyeshadow.
Oh,
Okay.
oh no, I know that.
I'm sorry, guys, this video is so long.
Ow.
My YouTube doesn't have the option to pause. And I don't have an actual vlog camera. I just have a phone.
Oh,
So, guys, this should make a different color for sure.
but you're used to it.
See how that coming up, guys?
Under surveillance, you'll find out it's really hot.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna keep mixing. This is getting all stretchy. I don't know why, it's getting like tougher. It's getting tougher, guys. It's getting duller, less shiny or less colorful. Okay, well, we'll put some more lip gloss in it, guys.
I know. I know. She did. And then that's when we left.
Because I just added a bunch of lip gloss, but just not all of my lip
That's
gloss.
when we left. Well, what upset her was that her brother and them acted like it wasn't what the big deal. What are you getting so upset about? It ain't no big deal. It was dirty, right? And that's what she was talking about. Mm-hmm.
This slime is a lot crunchier, guys. I mean, it doesn't have any beads or anything in it, but it's a lot crunchier. You squeeze it. It wasn't like this before. Because I can promise you that.
I got things I gotta do. better. I mean, not seeing it as bad, you know, appreciate the cases. I don't go out there and send the light on in the morning and it's without the rest of falling on the panels. You know, I'll send you an extra, put it in and sprayed outside. We had rain here. No, not till late evening it did. Right. Because he was here at 11 and it was sign of rain.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to get something to spray that thing with. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot they're in here. Guys, I'm sorry this video has been really long. A couple times I forgot I was running a video. Apparently I did. Actually, I did. I completely forgot. I was running the camera. Okay. And this takes a while. I'm just putting my whole lip gloss in now, guys. I changed my mind. You know, guys, I got some scissors. I can send you to you. Alright, guys.
Set her on the floor.
We're on my back of the nuts. I need my scissors. My scissors.
Cut the bathroom light off, please.
Is this door shut?
No.
Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, I have to cut this open so I can get this in easier. I can smear around.
Go again.
Okay. Almost. Well, actually, everything with that. Now, because we're going to take this, take my spoon, or no, widen this line up first. And then I'm going to take my spoon, spin this around. start at spoon, like I usually do Thursday, and then just leave it there and not pick it up. And now I'm gonna mix by stretching, swirling, squeezing, stretching, swirling, squeezing, stretching, swirling, squeezing. Can you see by the dawn's early light what's a valley hill, but the twilight's last gleaming through fresh light and bright stars through the perilous flight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming in the rocket's ray glare. The bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that her flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? The land of the free and the home of the brave. My bad. Let's see. Like a small bone on the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all of those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I'm all screaming on my head tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm a right song. The power's turn up. Right now I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. But I still got a lot of fire left in me. I'm losing friends and I'm making sure everybody's learning about me. I'm in too deep. Yeah, I'm in too deep. Been 2 years and miss my home. I got a fire burning in my bones. I still believe, yeah, I still believe. And all those things I didn't say, the wrecking balls inside my brain. I'm all screaming with my hands tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Oh, I don't want to sing. It's like all around in my brain. All in my brain. Highs all the pain. Let's go around in my brain. Now I think it's red, now things change. Feeling all the highs and all the pain. Made just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly on my feet and you're all I need. All I need. Yeah, you're all I need. It's you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're brave. Just my hate of you, I know I'll never, ever be the same. Alright, guys. Slime up here on 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. It stayed the same color. Honestly. Technically. It stayed the same color. this cover is hard to change, apparently. I know what to do. But this video has gone way too long, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.